Truth is a very powerful force. It helps us free the abuse, and also it helps them have justice. But sometimes the truth may come at a price. But are we willing to pay the price in order for us to learn the truth? To have justice to those people who suffer? Yes, because even if it's hard, we must learn to accept the truth. And we must learn how to use it in a way that helps us to grow, that benefits us, not only us but others too. According to psychologist Leon Festinger, people often avoid the truth to protect themselves even if it hurts others. People experience mental tension when they are faced with that contradicts to their beliefs or their personal identity, which they will try to deny the truth or ignore it. He also believed that by accepting a bitter truth, it is necessary for growth and change. I believe that the truth, no matter how difficult, it is always worth choosing because it gives us peace of mind. Living in lies only creates heavier burdens. When we choose to face the truth, we allow ourselves to heal, to build stronger relationships with others. Even if it's painful, the truth shapes us into better person who are brave enough to stand for what is right for all of us. When we accept the truth, we must inspire others to do the same. Many people are afraid of facing the truth, but when they see someone that stands for what is right, they tend to do the same. Truth helps in the growth of the society. It creates respect and justice that benefits everyone. Accepting the truth allows us to break free from our fears and denials. Hiding from it delays the pain, but facing it gives us the chance to learn, to grow, and to move forward. It may be heavy, but it gives us strength to overcome challenges and the wisdom to make better choices. In conclusion, no matter how painful the truth is, we must learn to accept and face the consequences of what truth may bring to us. Though it may hurt at first, but the truth will also free us from the guilt and guide us toward a more honest and meaningful lives.